Hello everyone, it's a quick video for those guys who really want to get an iPad Pro 2020 or if you really want to get an iPad 10th generation with the new specs and a 14 Bionic chipset. Now what you need to do is head over to apple.com/iPad and click on buy now. Now the prices for the both devices is different, $799 for the 11 inches iPad and $1,099 for 12.9 inches iPad. And for those who really want to get the 10th generation, $449 for the 10th generation iPad. Now specs are the same for the 11 inches and 12.9 inches, but the iPad 10th generation will get a different ones. A 14 Bionic chipset along with 12 megapixel back camera, front landscape ultra wide, USB Type-C, 5G supported, Touch ID as I said in the power button, and up 256 gigs of storage option. The design is quite similar to what we have seen on the iPad Pro. There are also a couple of color options available: blue, pink, silver, and yellow. The iPad Pros will only be available with two colors, space gray and silver. You can add to your bag and Apple will deliver the products on 26th of October 2022, about a week later. So if you really want the iPad Pro 2022, then head over to apple.com and buy it right now. And if you want to know more about the iPad Pro 2022, then you guys should check this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.